Hey there, welcome back to my channel, it's me the Mind Injector, and today we are diving deep into the world of TTOO Biosystems and their stock. There's been quite a bit of buzz and speculation surrounding this company, and in this video we are going to break it all down for you. From the stock's performance over the past year to its recent ups and downs, we've got a lot to cover. So, if you're curious about TTOO stock and whether its constant decline suggests an end or an opportunity, you're in the right place. Before we dive into this video guys, I've got some exciting news for you. I want to introduce you to Moomoo Financial. If you open a brokerage account with Moomoo and deposit at least $1 using the link in the description, you'll get a chance to draw a free stock worth up to $2,000. But that's not all. If you make a net deposit of $100 or more, you'll receive not just one, but 5 free stocks worth up to $2,000 each. Plus, free premium courses to help you sharpen your investing skills. And if you're really serious about investing, you can deposit $1,000 or more and get a whopping 15 free stocks, bringing your potential earnings to a staggering $30,000. So, sign up for a Moomoo brokerage account using the link in the description and start earning those free stocks. Now, let's jump into the main content of this video. Let's start by taking a look at TTOO stock's journey over the past year. It's been a wild ride, to say the least. TTOO lost a whopping 93.82% of its trading price in the 52-week time frame. That's a significant drop. And in September, we saw a decline of 1.14%. But here's the real question. Does this constant decline suggest an end for TTOO stock? Well, let's dig deeper. In that 52-week time frame, TTOO stock had its highest trading price at $6.50 and its lowest at $0.054. At the time of this video, TTOO stock was trading above its annual price target of 15 cents. That's something to take note of. And in the weekly time frame, there was a surge of 17% in TTOO stock's trading price. Sounds good, right? But hold on, because despite these short-term surges, there's been a decline of 41.36% in the past 6 months, and in the year-to-date time frame, we've seen a declining momentum of 75.11%. So, things haven't been too rosy lately. Now, let's get technical. The MACD line and signal line are trading parallel to each other, above the main line. This suggests that further decline is expected in the coming sessions. If sellers continue to dominate, we might see a decline of a few percent by the end of this week. The nearest visible supports are at 0.2690 and 0.054. But here's the twist. In a different scenario where buyers manage to overrule sellers, there's a possibility that TTOO stock's price might surge upwards. The possible nearest resistance levels are 0.4890 and 0.5644. So, there's still some hope on the horizon. Let's talk finances. TTOO Biosystems was expected to report $2.17 million in revenue, but they fell short and reported 9.49% less revenue. Not great news, right? The company is yet to release third quarter revenue, and the estimated revenue is $2.80 million. Now, the estimated EPS of the company was negative 0.27, but surprise surprise, the company managed to meet expectations, and the reported EPS was negative 0.08. It's a mixed bag of results. So, what's the outlook for TTOO stock? For the past few months, it's been struggling below 0.3354, but there was a major bounce in the trading price on August 8. However, despite these short-term surges, TTOO Biosystems stock declined in the half-yearly and year-to-date timeframes. Analysts are pointing towards the RSI, which indicates mild negativity, and there are possibilities that TTOO stock's price might fall further. It's a bit of a cloudy outlook, to be honest. Before we wrap up, let's get to know TTOO Biosystems a bit better. This company was first listed on the Nasdaq Global Market on February 12, 2014. TTOO Biosystems is a medical diagnostics company that develops and markets rapid diagnostic tests for sepsis and other critical illnesses. Their flagship product is the T2Dx instrument, which is used to detect sepsis-causing pathogens and antibiotic-resistant genes. So, they are in the business of saving lives. TTOO Biosystems has been making waves with its innovative diagnostic solutions. Their technology can detect pathogens, biomarkers, and health irregularities in various patient sample types, revolutionizing the accuracy and efficiency of diagnostics. What sets TTOO Biosystems apart is their cutting-edge technology, including T2MR, TAP, and T2DX platforms, which enable the rapid identification of infectious microorganisms and health irregularities. As of September 6, 2023, TTOO Biosystems continues to pioneer in vitro diagnostics. Their dedication to innovation and market adaptability positions them as a significant player in the industry. For potential investors, it's essential to consider the potential of TTOO Biosystems technology and its financial sustainability in the long run. Now, what's coming up for TTOO Biosystems? Well, they've got their annual meeting of stockholders on September 12th, and there are some interesting topics on the agenda. One of the big ones is a proposal for a reverse stock split. They are seeking approval for this, and it could be a game changer. There are also other proposals, like the appointment of directors and executive officer compensation. So, it's going to be a crucial event for the future of TTOO stock. And finally, the big question: is TTOO a good stock to buy? Well, sepsis is a serious medical condition, and TTOO Biosystems tests are designed to diagnose it quickly and accurately. Plus, they are developing tests for other infections, which could be blockbuster products. The global market for rapid diagnostics is growing, and TTOO Biosystems is well positioned to capitalize on it. But they are not yet profitable, and the competition is fierce. Predicting the price of TTOO stock in 2023 is like trying to predict the weather. It's tricky. Some analysts think it could reach 40 cents per share, while others are more optimistic, saying it could hit 50 cents per share or even higher. But remember, these are just predictions, and the actual price could be different, so it's a bit of a gamble. The million-dollar question: will TTOO stock break above $1 in 2023? Well, it's a tough call. There are many factors at play, and it's uncertain. The future of TTOO stock is still up in the air, but if they can achieve their goals and overcome the challenges, who knows what might happen. This is it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and please make sure to subscribe, like, and leave a comment down below.